Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with me Padma Veera. Today's recipe is an egg lover's delight, Egg Bhurji or Anda Bhurji, an Indian spiced scrambled egg. It's a personal favorite of mine, full of health and deliciousness, high on proteins and really quick and easy to make. If you're new to my channel and want to see more such videos, do consider subscribing and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Without further ado, let's get started. To a moderately hot pan, let's add in some oil, slide in some finely chopped onions and green chilies. Add in a few curry leaves at this stage, but this is completely optional. Give it a quick stir. Saute until the onions turn slightly soft and brown. To this, let's start adding the powdered spices. The first one that goes in is some turmeric, and the next is the red chili powder. This can be as per choice because remember you have also added some green chilies. And another thing I would like to mention here is regarding the chili powder. It's a homemade mix that already has coriander and cumin powders, and that's the reason I don't add them separately. In case you're using plain store-bought red chili powder, add a teaspoon of coriander powder and ¼ teaspoon of cumin powder for each teaspoon of red chili powder. Give it all a nice mix. Add in ½ cup of water. We are adding water to cook the onions and to bind all the spices well. Add enough salt for seasoning. Let it cook for a minute. It starts to boil and half the water is evaporated by this time. This is the time to break in some eggs. For 2 large onions that I have used, I am using 3 medium-sized eggs for this recipe. Crack the egg open directly into the pan one by one. After adding in the eggs, keep the heat on medium-low and just cover with a lid for about a minute. Now open the lid and gently stir. You don't want to completely scramble the eggs, but you want to have some chunks of them. Close it again with the lid and cook for another minute. Now open and turn sides of the egg part and just cover with the lid for about a minute. This egg bhurji is completely different to the Mumbai style egg bhurji. Yes, it's more of an Andhra style recipe also known as egg Porutu. Now scramble the eggs to your preference. Fine, chunky, it's up to you. But I like to have a few big chunks here and there coated with the spicy onion mixture. And give it a nice mix. The egg bhurji is done and ready. Turn off the heat and now let's add in some fresh coriander. So here you have your ultimate egg bhurji done and ready. This is perfect with rice, roti or bread. The best thing about Andhra style egg bhurji is that it pairs well with rice, and the combination with pappu charu, which is a runny lentil stew, is a killer combination and it remains my all-time favorite. On that note, do try this at home. Do like, share and subscribe. That was it for today guys. Until next time, it's me Padma signing off.